In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gift games on Steam. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pick a game, send it to a friend, and wrap up the purchase with confidence. Start by opening the Steam app on your computer and heading to the store. You'll find the store tab along the top. In the search bar, type the name of the game you want to gift. On the games page, take a moment to confirm you've chosen the right title and edition, since many popular games have multiple versions or bundles. It's also a good idea to glance at any notes about platform or regional availability so your friend can redeem it without issues. Once you're sure, click Add to Cart. This drops the game into your shopping cart but doesn't buy it yet. Next, open your cart from the top right corner of Steam. You'll see the game listed there. Instead of checking out normally, look just beneath the title and choose Purchase as a Gift. This tells Steam you're sending it to someone else rather than adding it to your own library. Steam will show your friends list so you can choose the recipient. Pick the person you want to gift it to. Only friends who can receive the game will be selectable. If someone already owns it, Steam will typically flag that. Take a second to double-check you've selected the right friend, then personalize the gift with a short message. This note appears in their gift notification and is a nice touch, especially for birthdays or celebrations. Click Continue to move into payment. Select your preferred payment method from the available options, review the order summary, and confirm the purchase. Keep an eye on any taxes or fees that might apply in your region. When you finalize the payment, Steam processes the gift and sends a notification to your friend's account. They'll be able to accept it and add it to their library. You'll also receive a receipt for your records, and you can view the status of the gift in your account's purchase history. That's all there is to it. Open the store, find the game, add it to your cart, purchase it as a gift, pick your friend, and complete the payment. With these steps, you can share your favorite titles quickly and securely. If you run into anything unexpected, reviewing the game's store page details or checking Steam's help section usually clears it up. Enjoy gifting, and have fun making someone's day with a new game.